Hey everybody, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another video of one tool a week, guys. If you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week. So if you love tools, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So real quick, guys, the 1,500 subscriber giveaway of the hard hat full brim lift, it's almost there, guys. Let me know if you're interested in winning. Please leave your comments below. And also one more request, guys. I have all the previous winners emails, but of course if you're new to the channel, also please leave your emails below. That way I want to get something going for that, and we'll see what the future holds on that. So with that being said, guys, what is it that we're going to be taking a look at this week? Well, if you ask me, it depends on what trade you're in. If you're in HVAC, plumbing, electrical, whatever the case is, you're going to be doing some rigging, lifting up some equipment or material that's heavy, requires 2 people, and on top of that, you're also going to be required some extra muscle on that. So with that being said, guys, we're going to be taking a look at a lever hoist. So this is going to be the lever hoist that we're going to be taking a look at. It's going to be the JLP-A series, and of course this right here, it's going to be the JLP-025A-10, stock number 287101. So as you can tell, it comes in this little box right here. It's going to be a small hoist, but of course it's going to be 1/4 ton. And for all you that don't know how much a 1/4 ton is, it's actually going to be 500 pounds. So this whole box alone, it's going to weigh in at 5.13 pounds. The whole box, so, and everything inside. So of course there's 3 different models for the JLP-A, and the first model is going to be the 5 foot, which is going to run you about $112.99. The second model, which is this baby right here, it's going to be 10 feet long, and it's going to set you back for $143.36. And last but not least, the final model for the JLP-025A models is going to be the 15, which that's going to set you back, or 15 foot, which is going to set you back at $192.81. So let's go ahead and open this baby up, and of course it's going to come with your instructions and manuals, which of course more than likely you already know how to operate it. And let's go ahead and pull this baby out. Throw the box over here and lay this out. So take a look at this baby right here. It's really nice, guys, really slick. So of course, guys, if you don't know what rigging is, you're gonna get more familiar as far as chaining it up. Now if you're gonna be connecting from your hooks, depending if you have some eye bolts, of course a regular 3/8 eye bolts, which keep on going bigger, or if you're going to be using some shackles, of course this is overkill right here, and this is for 8.5 tons. So for all you HVAC guys setting up some AC units up in the roof with a crane, or whatever the case is, whatever you're lifting, make sure you have the proper equipment for it. So of course, guys, this is going to be a lever hoist. You also have chain falls or camelons, whatever you want to call them, but again, have the proper equipment for the proper job. So the reason I went ahead and picked this baby up, sometimes I am picking up small pipe or larger pipe, 4-inch pipe, 6-inch pipe, whatever I'm going to be setting it up on, for chiller lines, heating water, condensation lines, whatever the case, running up top, or sometimes you want to move some AC units and want to line them back, or something might have pushed them off and you want to set them back. These babies definitely come in handy. So of course, the cool thing about it, it's going to be the compact size. It's going to be meant for minimal low headroom applications, and of course confined areas. So of course it's going to be a grade 80 black oxide coated for added durability. So as you can tell, the chain right here is going to be oxide, and it's going to be a nice little black color right here. And for next up, it's going to be rated at, of course, 1/4 ton, which is 500 pounds or 226 3/4 kilos. So lifts up to 10 feet, which hints the -10 model. So you're going to be able to lift up to 10 feet with this baby, which is great in case I'm lifting up some pump motors, booster pump motors, boiler parts. Again, it all depends what you're going to be using it for the application. This is just a nice little great hoist to have. Now if you're doing anything bigger than that, larger pipe, of course you're gonna have your 1/2 ton, 1 ton, and so on, have the right proper hoist or chain fall for the right situation. Now the cool part about it, like I said, it's gonna be a nice tight areas that you'll be able to fit this baby when you don't have any space. So of course the thickness of this baby right here, so from here to right here, the thickness is going to be 3.1 inches. So that's that, and of course from the knob to the end right here. Now the body width on this baby from here to right here, let me see if I can get, sorry about the light right there. So from this baby from here to here, it's going to be a total of 2.44 inches. And of course your lever length right here, which is a nice rubber coated handle right there, which if you could hear it right there, beautiful clicks, everything real nice. And the handle by itself, it's going to be the length of 5.91 inches. Now for a full turn on these babies, so going from point A right here all the way a full 360 turn, you're going to be lifting 3 inches of height, or lowering 3 inches. Now of course the distance between the hook and the bottom at its tightest area, you're gonna have it at 8 5/16 of an inch. So depending on how much you need of clearance or how much you need to raise it, keep that in mind. So that's that for that. Now the hooks right here, let's go ahead and take a look at it right there. They're gonna rotate 360 degrees all the way around, making your rigging easier. And of course they're gonna have lock-in sections, and it's going to be 1.25 inch opening. So from right there to right there, you're gonna have an opening of 1.25 inch. So if you're putting in your shackles, your eye bolts, your chokers, whatever the case is, make sure it's gonna be able to fit on this puppy right here. So of course, like I said, it's gonna be rotating 360. Now for all you that don't know, you're gonna have your top hook up here, you're gonna have your safety latches at each end of the hook, and you're gonna have your hand wheel up here, that way you can rotate it, spin it a little faster right there. And then you're gonna have your selector lever right in between of the handle right there, if you can see, up and down, and in the middle of course it's going to be neutral, that way you could go ahead and give it some slack faster or make them spin. So of course you're going to have up, down, and neutral for the loading. Now of course you're going to have your load chain, which is going to be on the load side, and the way you know you're on the load side, it's going to have the hook on the other side. And of course you're going to have the chain stop at the end right here. So for all you that get this babies and want to get rid of this baby, that's going to be your chain stop. So as far as that, it's going to be a nice metallic gray color right here, which is pretty neat. I like it just from the color of it. And of course guys, it's just a neat little item to have, guys. It really comes in handy. It takes you out of binds for those heavy situations where you don't have an apprentice with you, or a helper, or another fellow journeyman with you. You're going to be able to do a lot more work, and of course doing any heavy lifting. These babies are going to take you out of a bind. So of course guys, this is going to be the JLP-025A-10 stock number, and it's going to run you about $143.36. Definitely comes in handy, guys, if you're doing a bunch of mechanical work or out in the field and you're doing a bunch of lifting. So that's going to be it for the video, guys. Of course, like I said, if you can leave me your emails at the bottom, it will definitely help out in the future. And of course, I might be sending some stuff along the way. Like I said, new years, new goals. So as always, guys, let me know what y'all think in the comments below, and thanks for watching. One tool a week, guys.